morning students, welcome back to my class. In 6th standard first term, first lesson is numbers. Already you have studied introduction to numbers and recap of successor and predecessor. Next, formation of large numbers, how to form the large numbers using successor and predecessor. And the next, place value chart of Indian number system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores and etc. And next, some examples of Indian place value system. In this class, you will learn about place value of digits in large numbers, and next, uses of commas and comparison of number system, both Indian number system and international number system. So don't skip the video and watch the class fully. The first topic is place value of digits in large numbers. Okay. Every digit of a number has a place value which gives the value of the digit. We see one example. Find the place value of all the digits in 9847056. Here give one 7-digit number. What is the 1th place? 6 is the 1th place, and 10th place is 5, 100th place is 0, 1000th place is 7, 10,000th place is 4, lakh place is 8, 10 lakh place is 9. Okay. Next, we have to find the place value of each digit. First, the place value of 6. 6 in the place of ones. How many ones are there? 6 ones. So, 6 into 1 equal to 6. Next, the place value of 5. What is the place value of 5? Tens. How many tens are there? 5 tens. So, 5 tens are 50. Next, the place value of 0. What is the place value of 0? Hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 0 hundreds. So 0 into 100 equal to 0. Next, the place value of 7. What is the place value of 7? Ones, tens, 100. That is 1000. How many thousands are there? 7 thousands. So 7 into thousands equal to 7000. Next, the place value of 4. What is the place value of 4? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. How many 10,000s are there? 4 10,000s. So 4 into 10,000 equal to 40,000. And next, place value of 8. That is lakh. How many lakhs are there? 8 lakhs. So 8 into lakh equal to 8 lakh. Next one, place value of 9 is 10 lakh. How many 10 lakhs are there? 9 10 lakhs. So 9 into 10 lakh equal to 90 lakh. So these are the place values of the given number. Next, what is the name of the number? Here the number 984756 is read as 98,47,056. Once again listen students, how to read this number? 98,47,056. How you can read this number? Because of using commas. In Indian number system, we use commas in the order 3, 2, 2 and etc. Listen, the given number is 9847,056. Okay. First, you put the comma in ones, tens, 100. This is the one group. So here one comma. Next, 1000, 10,000 is the another group. So put here one comma. So it is easily able to read the number. This is called as ones, tens, 100. And this is 1000 and 10,000. This is lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. Now we can able to read the number very easily. 98 lakh 47,056. Are you understand students? Of our class is use of commas and comparison of number system. Okay, listen the passage. In our number system of numeration, we use commas from the right. The first comma comes before 100th place, 3 digits from the right. The second comma comes before 10,000th place, 5 digits from the right. In the third comma comes from the 10 lakh place, 7 digits from the right and represent code. In the international system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Likewise, commas are used to mark thousands, millions, billions. Simply, in Indian number system, they use commas in 3 to 2 order. In international number system, they are using commas in 3 3 3 grouping. Are you understand? Okay, students, listen the one example. You can easily understand the difference between Indian number system and international number system. Using this table, we can easily find the difference between Indian number system and international number system using commas or periods. Okay. In Indian number system, the top of the columns are period, name, numeral in Indian international number system, and period. Which place we gives periods, it represents here. Okay. First, in Indian number system, name 1 equal to 1, 10, 100. It's denoted as ones. In same international number system, 1, 10, 100, we put period or comma after the 100. Next, in Indian number system, we put commas after 1000 and 10,000th place. In international number system also, we use comma 1000, 10,000, not lakh. It shows 100,000. We using 3 digits. That means 3 place values. Okay. In Indian number system, after the 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, we use commas after the 10 lakh place. And afterwards, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 1000 crore, 10,000 crore, lakh crore, it continuously going on. In international number system, after the 100,000, they are using million and 10 million and 100 million. After they put one comma, next billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Up to 6th standard, your study only 100 crore or billion or 10 billion. The large numbers you are study in 7th and 8th standard. Table shows the difference of commas using in Indian and international number system. In Indian and international number system, 1 equal to 1, 10 equal to 10, 100 equal to 100, 1000 equal to 1000, 10,000 equal to 10,000, but lakh equal to 100,000. So 1 lakh equal to 100,000 in international number system. In same way, 1 million equal to 10 lakh. You hear this word million, 10 million, billion. Yeah, in YouTube also it shows million views, 10 million views. It is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million means that is 10 lakh only. Okay. Next, 1 crore equal to 10 million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 100 million means 10 crore is equal to 100 million. The next one, billion means 100 crores is called as billion. That means 1 billion. 10 billion means 1000 crore is called as 10 billion. Are you understand the Indian number system and international number system? Okay. Next, we see the some example problems. Example 1.3 in your book. The distance between the sun and the earth is about 9290000 miles. Read and write the number in the Indian and the international system by using commas. Without commas, we can not able to these numbers very easily. Are you understand that? What is the number? 9290000. It's take too much of time. So only we are using commas. Okay. First we using Indian system. First you write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores. Next you assign the numbers in corresponding place values. 0000929. Okay. How many crores are there? 9 crores. In Indian system of numeration, we put periods or comma in the order 3, 2, 2. So here 1 comma and 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 9 crore 29 lakh. That's all. There is no thousands, no hundreds, no tens, no ones. So the number is 9 crore 29 lakh. So this is the number, and the commas written this type: 9 comma 29 comma 00 comma 000. That means 9 crore 29 lakhs. That's all. There is no values for other place values. Are you understand the Indian number system? Next, international number system. We write the same number in international number system format. So write the place value of the international number system: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and write the given number in corresponding places: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 2, 9. In international number system, they are put comma or period in the order 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So first period is ones, tens, hundred. Afterwards, here put first period and second period, and this is the last. Okay. How many millions are there? 2 millions and 9, 10 millions. Totally 90 plus 2, 92 millions. Next, how many thousands? No thousands, no 10,000, but 900,000. So 900,000. There is no hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. Now we can read the number 92 million. Listen, 92 million 900,000. Are you understand? Simply 92 million 900,000. 92 million 900,000. Okay, students, are you understand the difference between Indian number system and international number system? How they are using commas? Okay, let's see some more examples of Indian number system and international number system by own. Okay, students, let's see the another one example for Indian number system and international number system. The given number is 5904327. Write the number in Indian number system. Okay, first you write the place value chart or place value table. Okay, next write the place value of the numbers: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Next, write the numbers from left to right. That means ones to ones, hundreds, ones, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, likewise. 7, 6, 2, 3, 4, 0, 9, 5. How you put commas or period in international number system? Sorry, Indian number system. In order 3, 2, 2. Okay. Write the number 5, 9, 0, 4, 3, 2, 6, 7. How to read the number? 5 crore 90 lakh 43,267. Are you understand the how to write the number in Indian number system? Next, we see the same number in international number system. Next, we write the same number in international number system. The given number is 59043,267. As usual, you write or draw the place value chart. Next, write the place value of the numbers: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Next, write the given number in corresponding places. 7, 6, 2, 3, 4, 0, 9, 5. Okay, students. In international number system, they are putting commas or periods in the order 3, 2, 2. That means here and here. This is one set and this is another one set and this is. Write the number 5959, 043, 267. How to read this number? How many millions? 59 millions. So 59 million 43,267. This is international number system. Or you understand that what is the difference between Indian number system and international number system? Okay, students, I hope you understand the concept. What is the difference between Indian number system and international number system and how use the commas. Okay, today homework is book page number 9, the try this box. Identify the incorrect places of comma and rewrite correctly. They are given 4 numbers. For Indian number system 2 numbers and international number system 2 numbers. The commas are put wrongly, so you just correct the commas and write the number in clear and write the number name of the number also. Okay, students, thank you for watching our class.